Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Now we've reached the end of our HTML section and this will be the beginning of the CSS section. Now first of all, I hope you were able to create something like this. Hope you were able to create a simple HTML web page. Now yes, we've created this, but we want to be able to make this look more beautiful and more appealing. And that's where CSS comes in. Now first of all, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now first of all, you may ask, what is CSS? Now if you look at this page, you see that it's vastly different from what we created here, and that's because it was styled using CSS. Now if you go to example.com and click Ctrl U, or you right click your mouse and click View Page Source, now we can see the HTML code for this website. Now if you look in the head tag, you see a style tag here and it contains some CSS. Now this is how CSS is written. This is a style sheet. Everything inside here is what is styling this web page. And as you can see, when writing CSS, you select the tags, you select the HTML tags and write whatever the style will be. Now if you go to W3 Schools, you just go to Google and type in W3 Schools CSS, click on the first result and we'll go to CSS introduction. Now we can see how powerful CSS can be. Now each of these different examples I'm going to be showing you are all done using the same HTML code, but are now made vastly different from each other using CSS. Now this is how this looks using the style sheet 1, meaning a bunch of CSS code is what styled the HTML to look like this. Now if I go over to style sheet 2, you see that we have something vastly different from what we saw before, but the entire structure of this is using the same HTML code. Now if we go over to style sheet 3, you can see we have something different. Style sheet 4, also something different. Now if I go to no style sheets, you see that this is the HTML code that was written, and you can see that it has a bit more similarity to what we built here. Now that's how powerful CSS can be, and it can make your website look as different as you want. So you can create anything you want using CSS and make it custom to you. Now throughout this course, I'm going to be showing us different CSS properties that we can use to style elements in our web page. And if you want to learn more about it, you can just go to W3 Schools and they have a lot of tutorials covering different topics. So see you in the next video, and I hope you can stick through this CSS, through the CSS part of this course, because it's going to be a very fun time. See you in the next video.